Hello everybody, and this is another episode of Dark Monkey. It's a new thing you've never seen me play. As you can see, it's called Cross the Trucks, and I'm playing it on my Xbox One again. This is the free trial. I've had a go at it. I got to number 9, but back to number 1. Number 1, please. Level 1.1. Oh yes, this one. I thought I'd just say 1, but no, because there's different characters. So it's basically like the computer version. You're a person who can jump crazily, and you have to make it to the goal in a certain amount of time and stuff. And then that puts up all your style points down too. And you can jump, you can run, you can just have a look around if you want to. You can sort of just grip onto the back of the trucks. You can go in the front of the truck. You can sprint, and I'm going to explain Okay, right, so the controls are, in this menu, as you can see, I'm moving my left joystick. A is obviously to select like any other console. So, to look around, you use the right stick. To move, you use the left one. To jump, you use the right. To sprint, you use your right trigger. That's the only controls there completely is. So I think that's all you need to know. I just need to complete this left, all the levels, and get back up to the hard stuff. And I have no idea how much the trial gives me because I've not completed the trial or anything before. So yeah, don't know what to do about it. I think I got stuck on this one because I crashed into lag. So this one's, they're quite hard levels. I've completed almost all of them. I just have to complete number 9. Game points, I think they're my style points. No! The levels are fair, like it's easy, medium, hard. I'm stuck on level 9, as I told you. That's why it made at the top when I started. But the wee bit about the game, it's expensive. It's £11, and I thought, well, it's a free trial of it. I've seen other YouTubers play it. Why not try and use it for my channel? And I think it's pretty good. I turned up the volume last night, and honestly, it gave me a heart attack. There was an explosion. That's what I'm saying. Your trucks explode. Yeah. So that's why you have to be careful. You have to choose the right one. You just need to hopefully have a good driver. As you can see, some of these are terrible drivers. Oh! As you can see, I'm terrible at this game, and I won still. Somehow. Next to that side. I've played these ones before. I know a little bit about them. Each structure is covered down. As you can see, we are using and I panicked, but I still made it. Because you can now afford first ability. Go to the shop. Yes. I've never done this. Abilities. Oh, cool. You can collect one movement ability. I've gone off of the double jump. I've gone off of the air dash. Time slow. Portable truck. No. Don't go time slow. Right. Back. Play. Number 6. So that's how I slow down time. Next time we're on this level again. Sorry. I don't know how useful this time slow is going to be. I think I can just exit this one. This is the main one. Let's go to number 7 because that's the one I should be on. Not this one. You think this is simple, but it's not. This one's good for the time slow because it really does slow down time. You want to get some amount of time to slow down it though? just makes time go. I'm a time master apparently, and I can't even tell the time in real life. So I'm a time master in the game, because that's the only way I can be a time master apparently. My dreams came true to be a time master. See, because I thought you got given the ability to do that straight away at the beginning of the game, but I was wrong. Yes, I did it. I can put our ability, but I didn't have the shot. Okay, I completed this one. This one was hard, actually. There was an explosion of control. Stupid made him truck crash. Might There we go. Look at that truck. She said. Ah! I don't know why you have to touch. I don't know why you have to jump on trucks. This is the one I'm stuck on. This is the only level I've managed to reach. No, there's no. I'm just gonna stay on this one until then. Oh no, I got cooled up. I need to move forward to like the third one and that's the oh, look at that truck! Did you see that truck? Okay, this guy really is fine without falling because this game's super sensitive. And it's really great and it's really fun and it's good animated. I just wish I could see myself. It's in Minecraft, you want to have a third person view to see what you look like. I've actually completed that. Who knew all it took was YouTube? I did it! Next level? Oh, no, this looks horrible. And of course we're racing. You will not sleep me, you will not sleep me. As I said, this one looks horrible. It is. Oh, it bounces you back as well. What? No! What? Your trial for this game has been keep playing. Buy game in store. Close. Time's up. I can no longer play this game. Well, this is rubbish. It's £11 as well. It's not worth the money. And that trial took forever to download. Wow. That was fun. Not really. That was a waste of my time doing that video because it was pointless. I'm going to find a new thing to play. And I hope you enjoy that. Okay? So, bye. This is